Taxes got you feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. In this video, we're breaking down how to calculate your taxable income here in the Philippines, step by step, making tax season a little less scary. First, let's define taxable income. It's basically your gross income minus allowable deductions and exclusions euro the amount you're actually taxed on. We need to understand each of these components to get to the final taxable income. Step 1. Determine your gross income. This is the total compensation you receive. It includes your salary, wages, honorarium, bonuses, commissions, and other taxable income you have. It is important to include everything. If you have multiple sources of income euro, maybe you're employed and run a small business euro, make sure to add all of them together to arrive at your total gross income. Step 2. Identify allowable deductions. These are expenses that the government allows you to subtract from your gross income. Lowering your taxable base. Common deductions include contributions to SSS, PhilHealth, and Taxable if you're self-employed or running a business. You might also have itemized deductions like business expenses. It is important to know these. You'll usually choose between itemizing deductions, listing out all your qualified expenses, or taking the optional standard deduction, which is a flat percentage of your gross income. Choose the option that results in a lower taxable income. Step 3. Don't forget exclusions. Certain types of income are excluded from taxation altogether. These might include some retirement benefits or other specific income exempted by law. Make sure you know what counts. Okay, now for the calculation. Taxable income equals gross income minus allowable deductions minus exclusions. Take your gross income, subtract all your applicable deductions and exclusions, and you will get your taxable income. Finally, consult the current Philippine Tax Table to determine your income tax rate. Your tax rate depends on which income bracket your taxable income falls into. Knowing your tax obligation is important. And there you have it. Calculating your taxable income in the Philippines doesn't have to be a headache. Remember, to keep accurate records of your income and expenses, be sure to visit the BER website for the most current guidelines and forms. Happy filing!